Disqualification carryover for targeting. Again, I want to emphasize, no change to the definition of what is or is not targeting. No change to the judgment we're using on the field or in the replay booth for what is or is not targeting. The only change is the penalty, and this is the penalty for targeting is much longer. I've only included here the last paragraph that's been added. If we have a second half targeting, player's disqualified for the remainder of that game, has a carryover for the first half of the next game, that carryover part of the penalty is now reviewable post-game. And the way it works is the review will be done at the national level by Mr. Steve Shaw, National Coordinator of Football Officials. And the conference can decide to appeal to Mr. Shaw to review the play for the purposes of removing only the carryover disqualification for the first half. There's two key words or phrases in what I've shown you here. The first is that if the national coordinator concludes that it is clearly obvious that there was not targeting on the player and should not have been disqualified, the conference can vacate the first half carryover disqualification for that player.